Imagine a world with no oceans, no waves crashing on the shore, no fish were swimming beneath the surface, just silence. Could we survive? The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet we take it for granted. It produces more than half of the oxygen we breathe, regulates our climate and feeds billions. But what if overnight the ocean disappeared? Could humans still exist? Stick around as we explore this terrifying possibility. Every breath you take, every second one, comes from the ocean. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton produce at least 50% of the world's oxygen, making the ocean our planet's largest air factory. The ocean is also Earth's thermostat, absorbing heat and carbon dioxide to keep our climate stable. Without it, temperatures would swing between scorching heat waves and deadly freezes. More than 3 billion people rely on seafood as a primary protein source. Fisheries fuel economies, support millions of jobs, and sustain coastal communities worldwide. The ocean isn't just a vast blue expanse, it's life itself. So, what if the ocean vanished tomorrow? First, without the ocean's ability to regulate heat, extreme weather would become the norm. Heat waves, hurricanes, and droughts would intensify. Global temperatures would skyrocket. Without phytoplankton, oxygen levels would plummet. Scientists estimate that within years, breathable air would become scarce. Humanity, and most life on Earth, would struggle to survive. A food crisis would devastate nations. No fish, no aquaculture, and disrupted agriculture. Since the ocean plays a crucial role in rainfall and the water cycle, the economy would collapse as entire industries vanish. Even our fresh water supply would be at risk. The ocean drives the water cycle, meaning rivers, lakes, and even underground aquifers could begin to dry up. Could technology save us? Scientists are developing algae farms to mimic phytoplankton's oxygen production. Artificial rain systems could attempt to restore the water cycle. Lab-grown seafood may replace the fish we lose. But here's the problem. These solutions take decades to perfect. The ocean does all of this naturally, efficiently, and at a scale we can't yet replicate. Even if we tried, it would cost trillions. The good news? The ocean isn't gone yet, and we still have time to save it. Conservation efforts, marine protected areas, and reducing plastic pollution all play a role. Every action counts. We depend on the ocean, and right now it depends on us. The ocean gives us air, food, and life itself, so let's fight for it, before it's too late. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video educational. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.